At the beginning of the irrigation season, for safety reasons, begin maintenance by verifying the upstream and downstream valves are closed and the pressure gauge is at 0. Next, open the filter cover. Remove the coarse screen, then extract the fine screen assembly and clean it using pressurized water. Inspect the gaskets and the upper and lower bearing for any defects. Replace if necessary. If the main shaft is moving freely, the lower bearing must be replaced. Make sure the nozzle shaft is moving freely by turning the shaft in the fine screen assembly. Continue by applying grease to the O-rings. Now reassemble the filter. First, replace the fine screen, then the coarse screen. Finally, close the filter cover. Insert new batteries in the controller. Connect the SG app to the controller, check the parameters, and verify they are correct. Now proceed to pressurizing the system. First, open the downstream valve. Then open the upstream valve. Perform 3 manual backflush cycles using the SG app. You can also do this by pressing the manual button on the flush controller for 5 seconds in order to make sure the system is working well and release any air. Verify the inlet pressure does not drop below 2 bar during the flushing cycle. The system is now ready to begin the season.